How to fix this content is not available issue on Spotify? Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix this content is not available issue on Snapchat. Well, first things, let's understand the issue itself. The content not available message on Spotify usually indicates that the song or album is either not licensed for streaming in your specific region or that there might be temporary issues with the service. Other reasons could include a blocked artist, a song marked as "Don't Play This," or even a glitch within the app itself. So if it is a regional restriction, you can try and use VPN as always. So you can get the VPN, you can download any VPN. TurboVPN is one of the free VPN that I use and will recommend for you as it works well. So you can set the region. You can change the region and try and see if the issue is fixed. You might have accidentally blocked the artist or marked a song as "Don't Play This." Check your settings to ensure you haven't unintentionally restricted access. Sometimes Spotify experiences temporary outages or glitches that can cause content to become unavailable. In that case, you can troubleshoot it. You can restart app and device. You can check if the update is available. So hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.